So hello guys, this is Satyam Tiwari, and in this video I am going to teach you about dynamic programming. ठीक है? Dynamic programming is very important when it comes to competitive programming. Okay, so ये एक program है. This is a Fibonacci number program, and we all know what is. Wait a sec. Yeah, so all know what is Fibonacci series. ठीक है? तो अगर तुम्हें int n is equal to 5 दिया हुआ है, so using this program first I'll do it in a normal approach and then we'll do it using dynamic programming, and we'll see how dynamic programming will affect this algorithm, how it will increase its efficiency, and how we can use it in later in different programming questions. Okay, so if the input is given as 5, ठीक है, तो अगर input 5 दिया हुआ है तो तुम क्या निकालते हो? पहला Fibonacci series is 0 1, right? So when it is 0 1, the next number will be 0 plus 1, which is 1, and the next number will be 1 plus 1, which is 2. So ऐसे ऐसे करके you need to find 5 numbers. So this is 1 2 3 4, 2 plus 1, this is 3. So right, so this is called as Fibonacci series. Okay, some of you might be thinking ki we can easily do it with array. Yeah, we can do it, but I am doing it with recursion, and that is taking more time complexity, so that I can explain you how dynamic programming affects the program. Okay, so what this function is doing is, this is actually a recursive function. So those who don't know about the recursion, how the recursion works, just see the past videos or see different YouTube channels who have the recursion video well explained. So because without recursion you will not be able to understand the dynamic programming. Okay, so what int n, when we are going to int n, what it is doing is, first it is coming here, it is calling n minus 1, then so first this criteria will be filled, right? So again it is calling this, again it is calling with the same function, but the input is reduced. Then again when this function is called, again it is called with n minus 2, and this thing is called with n minus 3. ठीक है, same way it is going like continue हो रहा है, and here it calls 3, यहाँ 2 ले लो, 2 1. So when it is calling 0, when we have reached the base condition, ये return करेगा, and when it is called 1, 1 has also reached the base condition, it will also return 1. Then यहाँ पे 1 जो call होगा, the input will be 1, then again it will send some input. जब ये इधर पहुंचेगा then n minus 3 will be called, इसके ट्री कॉल्ड होंगे which is n minus 4 and n minus 5, then again इसके कॉल होंगे, then again here 2 will be here, 1 will be here, 0 will be here, इसके भी कॉल होंगे, then again यहाँ पे 2 आएगा, 1 आएगा, 0 आएगा, ये सब एक दूसरे को भेजेंगे अपना आउटपुट when the base condition will be reached. So see, the thing, the point of making all this tree is to find the time complexity. Okay, so the time complexity actually here is, यहाँ पे अगर आप देखो इन द सेकेंड लेवल 2 कॉल हो रहा है ना, इन द थर्ड लेवल ये कॉल करेगा, ये कॉल करेगा, विच इज 4 कॉल हो रहा है. सो यानी कि जो नंबर है वो कैसे बढ़ रहा है, 2 to power 0, 2 to power 1, 2 to power 2 में. सो एट द एंड ऑफ लेवल द कॉल विल बी 2 to the power n. सो कितने रिकर्सिव कॉल हो रहे हैं, 2 to power n रिकर्सिव कॉल हो रहे हैं. सो द टाइम कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी विल बी ऑर्डर ऑफ 2 to power n, विच इज एक्सपोनेंशियल. सो देखते हैं इसमें इनपुट लगा के देखते हैं कितना आ रहा है. सो जब हमने 5 एज ए इनपुट दिया, ये एग्जीक्यूशन टाइम 2 सेकेंड्स में हो गया बिकॉज आई हैव ऑलरेडी एग्जीक्यूटेड इट वंस. लेट्स डू इट विथ 10, सी हाउ मच टाइम इट टेक्स. ओके, वेट, so it took 2.741 second to compute. Okay, so इसमें ये इतना ज़्यादा टाइम कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी ले रहा है 2 to power n. So how can we reduce the time complexity? And here comes the part of the dynamic programming. Okay, in the tree we saw that some point when we had n minus 1, n minus 2, and here we had n minus 2 and n minus 3, then this thing we had n minus 3, n minus 4. यार, when we have already computed n minus 3 का value, then why we are coming here and computing n minus 3 का value again? So that is the point where we have to use the dynamic programming. So dynamic programming is something where if you have already calculated a result and you are seeing that again this for the same stuff we need to calculate the result, then why not use the same value which have been already calculated. So like n-3 का वैल्यू पहले से ही कैलकुलेट हो रखा है, तो हम उसको कहीं पे सेव करके दोबारा जहाँ पे n-3 यूज हो रहा है वहां पे उस वैल्यू को यूज कर सकते हैं. सो उससे क्या हो रहा है, व्हाट इज हैपनिंग इज आवर टाइम लिमिट इज एक्चुअली बिकमिंग मोर लाइक एफिशिएंट. ठीक है, तो हम इसको कैसे सेव कर सकते हैं एंड हाउ इट विल बी एफिशिएंट. लाइक अगर ये n-4 है, ठीक है, हम यहाँ आके 2 1 0 पे पहुंच गए. ठीक है, अब यहाँ से देखो हमें सिर्फ इसका वैल्यू स्टोर करना है कहीं पे, बिकॉज एवरीवेयर इट इज कीप ऑन. n-4 की वैल्यू इधर से ले सकते हैं, n-3 की वैल्यू इधर से ले सकते हैं, n-2 की वैल्यू इधर से ले सकते हैं, तो इस साइड जाने की जरूरत ही नहीं है टू कैलकुलेट. सो हमारा जो टाइम कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी है विल बी ऑर्डर ऑफ n. See how it has been reduced. So how we can save it, what we can do is we can actually make an array जिसमें अगर n, when you are sending n-1, right, अगर तुम 5 भेजे हो पहले and when you are calling for 4, then क्या कर सकते हो तुम array of 4 में जो भी calculate हुआ है उसका result you can store it here. Okay, and you can initialize the array with 0 in starting, and array of then 4 change it with some number. Then if you are again coming to a of 4, you have to check if the value present in a of 4 is greater than 0. It means that the cell has been used. Okay, so you can take that number as a result. So let's write the code for this, and this is how we have to use the dynamic programming. Dynamic programming is save the result and use it again when it is called. Why you want to do it again and again? ठीक है, बहुत टाइम खाता है वो. So इसको 2 डाल देते हैं, and in this what we'll do is n pass करेंगे and we will also pass some array. Okay, same condition use होगा if का, तो then if will be here. Next is important, if array of n is greater than 0, means you don't need to calculate it. Okay, you don't need to again go to all those three stuff, you just need to return array of n. Okay, then next is int. अब now how to calculate this array of n, जो तुमने इधर किया है ना उसका जो रिजल्ट है you have to store it here. Okay, and you are passing array also, so you have to pass the array. Then you have to, like, for 4 if you have calculated the output, then you have to store the result here and then you have to return the output. So this is how the dynamic programming will work. Yeah, you can simply do it with the array also, but to make you understand I use this. So upcoming videos will be based on the questions regarding this dynamic programming. Thank you.